Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Anki to study for the Mcat. First, download the Anki application to your computer or mobile device. Once installed, you can either import a pre-made Mcat deck, which many students find incredibly helpful, or begin creating your own custom flashcards. Setting up your decks correctly from the start is crucial and will save you significant time and effort later on in your study journey. To truly benefit from Anki, consistency is key. Aim to review your cards daily to leverage the spaced repetition algorithm effectively. You can adjust the number of new cards and daily review limits within Anki's settings to match your available study time. Additionally, explore various add-ons to customize your Anki experience, making it more efficient and visually appealing for your Mcat preparation. When creating your own flashcards, focus on making them concise, with each card addressing only one specific concept. Incorporate images, diagrams, or use closed deletions to promote active recall, which is far more effective than passive review. Remember to tag your cards by subject, chapter, or topic. This organization will allow you to easily filter and study specific areas as needed for the Mcat. For more advanced usage, leverage the browser feature to efficiently search, edit, and manage multiple cards at once. If you encounter cards that are no longer relevant or have been mastered, suspend them to keep your daily reviews focused and efficient. Remember, staying hydrated is vital for concentration during long study sessions. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to support your study journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.